cheeseburger bites, grilled cheese bites, ooh, grilled chicken, pepperoni pizza, crispy tenders.
It's my 40th birthday. I'm by myself. Okay lang. Ang tahimik, ano. Maya na lang ulit ako mag-video pagdating nila ate. Para ma-start ko na itong pansit. Nag-start na ako. Pinapalambot ko yung meat. And then, magigisa na ako. Naka-ready na yung meron akong bawang, sibuyas. Ito, kikiam. Naglalagay kasi ako minsan ng kikiam sa pansit. Para mas masarap siya sa pansit. And then, meron na rin akong, minix ko na yung beans, carrots, yan. And then, meron akong repolyo. Gusto ko kasi sa pansit yung maraming repolyo. I don't know. And then, pag okay na yung meat, magigisa na ako. So, yun lang naman. Anyway, yung mga bumati sa akin sa Facebook ng happy birthday. Thank you sa inyong lahat at saka sa family ko. So much appreciated. Malaki talaga ako gumamit ng ng kawali. Kasi gusto ko maluwag yung nilulutuan ko. Ayoko nung nangangatapon sa gilid. So, gusto ko yung medyo malaki para, alam mo yun. naluto ko na yung pansit. Ayan na siya. Hindi ko na nakuhanan yung pagluluto ko kanina kasi nalobat ako. So, yun. Antayin ko na lang yung mga bata. Dumating. So, yun. Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday! Ay, dumating na si ate. Tapos, may dala siyang pizza. Oh, this one is so cute. Yan, thank you ate. Meron siyang birthday pizza sa akin. Yan, si Royce na lang hinihintay namin. Then, kain na. Royce is here. Hey, look! Our food!
Looks good.
Gonna get you a plate.
What's up, guys? That's all.
Now,
Huh?
come here, Royce, look.
Oh my god. Okay, where's the lighter?
Happy birthday, Mommy. Come here, you hold this. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Uy! What?
I didn't even do anything.
Why'd you do that?
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Thank you! Thank you, thank you!
Sorry, I literally blew out the candle with you, so.
Look at my cake. It's so
Watch out,
cute.
it might fall.
It's
have not
purple. So cute.
Yes. I'm gonna microwave that because it's not hot anymore. I was waiting for you.
Which one do you want? This one or this one?
This one. You have to. Oh my god. You get microwave it, okay? Because look, it's cold now. It's not hot
I
anymore.
finished my water. My saliva is now just bubbles. I'm thirsty.
Ay, dapat picture kami with your cupcake.
Yeah. We should do that.
Mami, picture ka. This is papakita kay Daddy. With you, Royce? Wait, muna na. Ay, si Mami na pala. Okay. Ano yun? It's sizzling.
Saka. Upo ka na. Tikman natin ang pizza my heart.
Back to school, huh? Early mornings, school lunches, algebra tests.
People were my classmates that I always have fun with. They keep like bothering me while I was trying to make this. I didn't even try it.
Hey, Dad. Wanna play?
Around 5:89 p.m.
Where'd you get the blue? Huh? Hi.
And then,
Maasin lang yung
Dito.
ano niya. Ayun din. Kung ano niya.
just take the
But try it first.
drizzle. You see the tomato drizzle?
Yeah.
It tastes like pepperoni. That's
Ooh.
fine.
Yeah, that's what it's trying to go for. So, because there's no pepperoni, so they're trying to make it seem like there's pepperoni.
How is it? Good?
That's like a real pizza. Real cheese pizza.
I take that back. Pizza My Heart is really good. I didn't like it just because of the pun.
Just because of what?
Because of its name?
I'm gonna flip this.
We could try this to just take out all the toppings.
Yes. I also wrote her a heart, if you can't see it, and a happy birthday card, but that has nothing on it, just happy birthday. I punched holes in it.
More pizza, huh?
Okay. Oh yeah, hey guys. I have a. I'm talking to the video.
Oh, I forget.
I have two classmates in my school. One of their names is Jackson. His name is right here. And I have another classmate named Zoe. It's a girl. And the other one, the first one was a boy.
Ah, brain freeze.
I came up with this. Since I couldn't get my mom a gift, I gave her a card. There is this necklace that I want to get. That is 99 cents.
What?
No, for real. And my mom told me to ask Ate. No, for real.
For real?
No, for real.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday. Sorry if it's so quiet.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mom. I feel like my artist is saying that because the pizza is really good.
I haven't even tried it.
Make it quiet.
Now?
It's August 21. Tapos na yung birthday ko kahapon. So, mag-gym muna ako. Diyan lang sa dito lang sa community. So, ayun lang. That's it for today. Magbabawas muna ako ng taba-taba. Dami ko nakain kahapon. So, magpapapawis lang ako. Okay. So, wala ganong tao sa gym. So, ako lang mag-isa. That's good. Start na ako. Dito ako. Elliptical. Tapos na ako magpapawis. Sarap magpapawis. Lakad na ulit ako pa uwi. 5 minutes walk. Naglalakad na ako. 5 minutes walk lang naman. So, yun. Si ate nasa bahay. Off niya ngayon. $30 minutes lang ako nagpapawis. Kasi maglilinis pa ako ng bahay. Okay lang. Parang feeling ko nga 1 hour na ako nag-elliptical.